All right, everyone. Well, we had a very interesting session today with some very good trading for the British pound. It was a very nice, trendy kind of day. We had just over 100 pips available in the London session. If you remember, we were looking for the market to come down into our support area here, and we were looking for two very specific patterns. One was going to capitalize off of the three-bar reversal coming out of this area. The other would wait for the market to break down, come back up for the little dipper retest in order to go short. Let's go ahead and look up here at the 15-minute bars to get a better idea of what happened. Once the market came off of the open, it traded down right into support. The three-bar reversal triggered right from this high here. Once the market started moving back up and it came into the opening prices for the day, it did something that's pretty common. In other words, it formed another little dipper pattern. Basically what's going on here is the traders that sold early on in the day, either they're pressuring the market down to hopefully buy because they don't see any big buyers out there, or they were just of the opinion that the market was going to go down. In either case, the selling hit the market early on. When those sellers are again confronted with price, in other words, they're wrong, okay, so if you sold up here and price is right back up at the level you sold, you're wrong, you're not making any money. So at that point you have two choices. You can either cover, meaning you can, or you can reverse your opinion. In either case, you have to buy. Well, if you reverse, it actually winds up being twice as much buying, and that's why going after breakouts can be so profitable, because a seller over here who sold one has to buy two in order to reverse his opinion and hopefully participate in the upside. That's why breakouts can be so profitable, but it's also why breakouts can be so short-lived. This area here actually formed a small pennant pattern. You can see that over about 2 hours on the hourly chart here. I wasn't looking for this particular pattern because when I shot the video last night, the pattern didn't exist. It didn't happen until the European Open. So don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that I could somehow predict this exact pattern, but I'm telling you, based on the way the market mechanics work, a seller over here has got to turn into a buyer one way or the other